Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Gesti Rudianti. I will make a question to relieve cook. Cook is one of the dishes that most often attacks, especially when the season changes. There are some medicine that can be taken to relieve cook. One of the them is a herb that comes from plants or often called a leaf pharmacy. Natural ingredients that can be used are medicine to relieve cook are lime and honey. Lime has vitamin C and bacterial properties that are effective for killing bacteria. How to make? Prepare 2 glass, squeezy lime, eggs, honey, and water. Heat well. Heat well. Ready to drink. Good luck, have to relieve cook. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.